Yeah, I'm here trying to work on fixing this bogus camping cot. Stupid ass Coleman camping cot doesn't want to last for more than like 2 months. You spend over $50 on something you'd think you'd last for like at least a year. So sitting here trying to fix it, so because I don't got another $50 to just go, keep, you know, my life isn't about paying some company $50 every 2 months to replace their bogus product. So yeah, that's what happens when we don't make nothing in America for Americans anymore. But Freeway's helping me. Freeway, hit me.